In this video we're going to do a couple things. The first thing is we're going to show you actually how to select the different elements that you have here in this curtain wall system, and then the second thing we're going to do is place a door in the curtain wall system. And this is kind of a universal function in Revit. As you can see, I'm kind of moving over things, and it's sometimes letting me select an element, but sometimes not. It's only letting me select the overall curtain wall system. So to select an individual mullion, if you just hit the tab key, that's the grid line, and then you hit the tab key again, we have the panel, and then we also have the mullion. When you select the panel, you can actually make this panel a solid panel, which I'm just going to change this to shaded, and just makes that panel so you can't see in it. Let's say, for example, we want to add a door in this curtain wall. The first thing you want to do is you want to click the curtain grid, and we're gonna actually do it this way. We're gonna click this grid. We're gonna add and remove a segment. Remove that segment, which is also going to delete the mullion. And then we're going to do this on this one here. And then I'm not going to remove the bottom one, but what I'm going to do here is we're going to select this panel. And what you want to do is you want to click Edit Type. You want to click Load. And you'll notice that in the door section in Revit, there actually are curtain wall, storefront, and double glass, and a single glass window. I'm just going to click this storefront one for now. Really interesting, maybe not that interesting, but the curtain wall doors will only load into the curtain wall panel section. And that's how you have to load them. If you try to load them in the normal doors, it won't load in properly. So that's why. And then we don't want to have this mullion at the bottom, so I'm actually just going to go down here and click Delete. And there we go. We have our doors installed in our curtain wall. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe.